What'd you pull us over for?
Hey, bud, I got a question. Are you the one that said f***ing losers out the window as you drove by?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you. And that is loud and boisterous conduct upon a public roadway. That's public disorderly conduct.
Listen here, you idiot. You work for us.
Nope.
You're a public servant.
Nope.
You're supposed to be professional.
Okay.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and go learn about some professionalism.
Okay.
You're going to hear from my lawyer.
I can't wait.
You're going to learn soon.
And you're not going to
Write your information down on your information, your contact information.
Okay. I don't have.
You're a public servant. Write your information down.
Some may still wonder why cops don't get respect anymore. Well, maybe it's because they drive around all day on our dime with their overinflated egos on their sleeves, just looking to pull people over who might have hurt their feelings. Well, enter Anderson County, South Carolina Sheriff's Deputy Brooks here, putting his best foot forward for the anti-American Thin Blue Line clowns. By the way, this video comes to us from Shade Tree DIY. Visit his channel, let him know how he did, and tell him here's the deal sent you.
I don't know where my license and registration is.
They got no reason to pull us over.
Hey, is there a problem?
Yeah, this deputy pulled you over. Explain it to you. You got your license, registration, proof of insurance.
What'd you pull us over for?
Hey, bud, I got a question. Are you the one that said f***ing losers out the window as you drove by?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you. And that is loud and boisterous conduct upon a public roadway. That's public disorderly conduct.
Deputy Brooks is either operating off of the shaky ground of qualified stupidity, or he just flat out doesn't give a damn about the First Amendment. You know, Brooks, that First Amendment you swore to protect, defend, and uphold. I mean, this is America, Brooks. Here, Americans can say what they want, and other Americans can't criminalize, punish, or threaten their right to say it.
Here's my license.
So that's what you pulled us over for, is you thought you heard somebody say something?
Mister, I don't answer questions.
Hey, listen here, you idiot. You work for us. You're a public servant.
Okay.
You're supposed to be professional, not me. I don't have a code of conduct to go by. You do.
Okay.
Name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers, bud.
Yeah, that's a lie. What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. What, would you like my computer number?
Why did he give me a number and you can't?
Because he gave you his computer number, bud. It's 14-0.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and go learn about some professionalism.
Okay.
You're going to hear from my lawyer.
I can't wait.
This is an illegal stop. You have to witness a traffic violation or suspect us of a crime.
Really? Yeah, I was going to say, would you like to hear the traffic violation?
Yes, actually, I will.
Yeah, because we wasn't speeding. We don't have any lights out. Didn't do anything wrong. This is a retaliatory stop for something that you thought you heard.
No, by the way, lights are required 1 hour before dusk. Just FYI.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be great.
During this clearly retaliatory stop here, Deputy Brooks reached deep into the pigpen mud to possibly pull out a headlights before dusk charge.
Lights are required 1 hour before dusk. Just FYI.
Way to use that shiny badge to attempt to terrorize your fellow Americans, Brooks. These guys would be so proud. I mean,
Just so proud.
Why don't you get your supervisor over here?
I'm not required to. You can ask for one.
Well, I'm asking for one. That's what I just did.
Okay, yeah, you can ask for one.
Yeah, I'm
not
asking for a
required to have one,
supervisor.
that's fine. Bravo 33, 10-9.
Matter of fact, get Lieutenant Cawthorn out here.
619-220 on the grounds. Yeah, who?
Lieutenant Cawthorn.
I don't work for Lieutenant Cawthorn.
Yes, you do. You work for the sheriff's office. He is your supervisor. Get him out here.
He's not my supervisor.
Okay. You're going to learn soon.
Okay.
You got registration insurance yet?
I have a registration card out of North Carolina.
Oh, that's North Carolina. I don't know where the one is that you need.
insurance ID card?
Yeah. I don't know where.
Or you can identify it as 628.
That's North Carolina one.
So many.
This insurance ID card.
This is her dad's old insurance. So are you not gonna get a supervisor out here?
13th of 20.
Yeah, it's all up to date. I just am a little frazzle-dazzled. There.
Or you're not getting a supervisor out here?
I'm not.
Okay, cool. Brooks.
Okay.
Are you recording? Actually recording?
Yeah, I'm actually recording. Pulling us over because they thought they heard something. You can see how he come up to the car all mad. He's looking like he was wanting to fight. He's not gonna get a supervisor. They didn't have their lights on when they come after us. When they pulled out to come after us and pull us over, they didn't have their lights on. So I'd like to see them try that. Man, that dude's got a huge problem. That one that was over here standing on my side, he didn't really seem like he had that big of an attitude. But that cat right there's got a problem. He's got a serious problem. That's probably why he's having to drive one of them old junky Crown Vics and not get one of them nice new Chargers. Either that or he's done wrecked his new Charger or Explorer, what it is, and he's having to drive that while he gets his car fixed.
You just push the buttons.
Look, that car ain't got their headlights on.
Pardon me?
Will you do me a favor? You just step out of the vehicle so I can explain this to you?
No. Can you not explain
You
to
gotta get out. If he has to get out of the car, you
yeah,
get
really? And explain what?
No court, no con. I just want to speak to you.
Can you
Don't answer any questions. Yeah, I want to be present with the conversation.
I need him to be present for me. Will you come talk to me here?
Are you going?
I would like.
I would like to explain the citation that I'm issuing you, not him. So if you do me a favor, you'll step from my vehicle. So I stopped you for two reasons.
Okay.
First reason is when you came on the 28, you didn't signal 100 feet prior to turning on the 28. That liquor has to be initiated before 100 feet before you turn on the 28. So I pulled you over for that. And when he's hanging out of the window, those can be misconstrued as arm signals, otherwise known as turn signals. When he's holding the bird out, if somebody else construes that as you turning and you don't turn, somebody pulls out in front of you and hits you.
Okay.
Is that fair?
No, I don't agree with it, but I see where you're coming from.
This is going in as a contact only. There's no court. There's no fine.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Here's all more information back.
Thank you.
Here's warning.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
All right. Oh, can he get your card?
We don't have cards.
Write your information down. Hey.
Just please just.
And you're not going to
Write your information down on your information, your contact information.
Okay. I don't have.
You're a public servant. Write your information down.
Would you like to go obtain a copy of the general orders at the sheriff's office? I'm not required to give you.
I don't have to do anything. You work for me. I don't work for you.
Got it recorded right there.
Okay.
Wait to see it on YouTube. Have a good day, bud.
Do you have a card, bud?
I do not. We're not issuing cards to the sheriff.
Can you write your name and information down? I appreciate you not being hostile. I don't appreciate that.
Listen to me. My name is on the citation.
Okay.
If you have any issues, you can call. And that call for service number that's assigned to this stop will have his number attached.
Thanks.
There must not be any real crime going on in Anderson County, South Carolina, if these guys have this much time to harass people who are exercising their unalienable rights. This sure looks like deprivation of rights under color of law to me. That's 18 USC 242 for All you legal eagles out there. Oh, and look at what one of the prescribed penalties is for depriving somebody of their rights.
Brooks.
And we've already mentioned the First Amendment here, so now's as good a time as any to talk a little bit about Cohen v. California. Government agents cannot act as guards of public morality. For a public servant to take offense at the free expression of speech and want to use the power of his position to penalize a person for exercising that speech is to criminalize the very foundation of freedom. And that's exactly what Brooks is doing here. Judge Harlan in this court case rejected the idea that the state could prohibit the display of the jacket of a man, that's Mr. Cohen, that said F the draft in a courtroom. He noted, quote, one man's vulgarity is another's lyric, and, quote, because government officials cannot make principled distinctions in this area, that the Constitution leaves matters of taste and style so largely to the individual. He also warned that, quote, the government might soon seize upon the censorship of particular words as a convenient guise for banning the expression of unpopular views. And I get it. Calling people like Brooks and his buddy effing losers might be an unpopular view to people like Brooks. But that's what the First Amendment is all about, protecting unpopular views.
Wouldn't make any sense to try to protect a popular view.
So for Officer Brooks to turn the unalienable right of freedom of speech into public disorderly conduct,
But that's public disorderly conduct.
is repugnant to free men and women everywhere.
Talk about tiptoeing down the totalitarian path, eh, Brooks?
So what do you think? Was Brooks right? Was Brooks wrong? Should the passenger have kept what he thought about Brooks and his buddy to himself? How do you feel about cops? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. It really helps with the algorithm, and I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Become a channel member today. Grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design. You can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, hat, cell phone case, pillowcase, whatever you want. Remember, freedom is dangerous. Freedom might offend you, but the only thing more dangerous and offensive is not having freedom. I'll see you guys in the next video.